Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian beef and pompano fresh fish light soup or pepper soup recipe with you. In fact, this special soup is so delicious, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this at the end of this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's dive right in. To begin with everything, I'll start by cooking my vegetables. For vegetables, I'll be using garden eggs. Next, I'll go in with some carrots, scotch bonnet pepper. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some white beans. Now for the vegetables, use any vegetable of your choice, okay? Now let's go in with some onion, a little bit of water to cook this very well, okay? So now let's cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. And after extra 10 to 15 minutes, we are back to check on it, and this is how it looks like. It looks super soft and ready. So now I'm going to allow this to cool down, and afterwards I'll blend it off camera. Next, in a different pot, I'll go in with my clean beef. Now you can as well use any protein of your choice, but for this recipe we are concentrating on beef today. Okay, so now after adding in the beef, I'll season the meat with some onion. Next, I'll go in with some tomato paste. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some meat seasoning powder, a little bit of salt to taste. I'll also go in with some garlic ginger paste, but unfortunately the camera couldn't capture it, okay? So I'll also go in with some eating fruit or prekese to give this extra flavor. I'll give everything a very good stir. I will cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and juicy. You can as well go in with water if you want it to cook very fast, okay? Let's cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the meat for about 30 minutes now, and as you can see, it has really released a lot of juices, and that's what I'm looking for. The meat is nice and very soft as well. So moving forward, I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on, okay? And after going in with the blended ingredients, I also go in with a little bit of water. Now the consistency of your soup always depends on how thick or light you want your soup to be. It is light soup, so it should be light, okay? Now after going in with the water, I'll stir everything together very nicely, and now it's time for me to go in with the fresh pompano fish. You can also use any fresh fish of your choice, but for today we are just concentrating on the beef and this pompano fish, and trust me, it took the soup taste to another level. I just love this fish. It's one of my favorite fish. I do enjoy it almost every week. Yes, I love it so much. Now after going in with the fish, you need to also taste for salt if it's enough. If not, you can go in with extra salt to your taste. I will cover it and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, this is what we have right now. My kitchen really smells really good, and I just love everything about this soup as well. So next, I'll go in with some mackerel and tomato sauce to give the soup extra taste, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this combo. So all you have to do is to trust the process, okay? Now I'll stir it gently. I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and the soup should be ready. And when I'm making light soup like this, obviously I'm going to be enjoying this soup with fufu. You can also enjoy this soup with any swallow or any food of your choice, okay? Now, if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. As you can see, my fufu is all done and set. So now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. Now let me know also in the comment section what you think about this beef and fish like soup. I love the combo and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.